Hello watcher and subscribers. Here now we will discuss how we can analyze data in pandas. So analyzing data is also known as viewing the data, and for that we have the head method. So head method return the header and specified number of rows starting from the top. Means suppose if you want to access top 5 row, 10 rows, 15 rows, then you have to use head method. And here the important point is that if the number of row is not specified, the head method will return the topmost 5 row from your database. There is also the tail method for viewing the ending rows or the last rows. And if you want to access the information about your data, then you have to use info method that give you more information about your data set, about your information. So now here practically we will see this method. So here now we are in the Python ideally, and in the previous class we already discussed about this code, and here there is a pandas library and we are including this c.csv file in the program, and when we run this code we are getting all the information from that csv file. And here we will get total 9 record from 0 to 8, but suppose I don't want all the record, and here suppose I want here df, means that object you have to use here, and suppose I want topmost records, so I will use here head method. Suppose I want 2 records, so I will write 2. So here the 2 records will be available for you, that is index position 0 and 1. And suppose if you don't pass any values, then by default total 5 record will be available for you. And now suppose I want to access downside record, then you have to use tail method. And in the tail method, suppose I want last 2 records, I will write here head 2, and the 2 last record will be available for you, that is the index position 7 and 8. And suppose if you don't write index position, then by default remaining 5 records will be available for you. This is our data, and suppose you want the information of your data, then you have to write here df.info, and it will give you the detail of your file, detail of your content, and it will give the detail of your record. So you can observe these are the, you can say, column names with the index 0 1, and here total 9 records. These are the data type, name is object type, and this is age. We use their numbers, so it's integer 64 bit, and this is what the summarized way, and it is showing total memory also. So in this way you can get the information of your file. So I hope, dear student, you understood how you can analyze the data. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.